A sister friend of mine said, asked me a question that imagine how far we would be if we did not have a perfectionism syndrome. And how far would you be? Ngabe wenzeni, if you were not waiting for the right environment, right people, right platform, right climate, right timing, perfect partner, perfect everything, perfect date to start, date to do, perfect way to do it, to do it, a perfect video to post, a perfect book to write, a perfect whatever, perfect business space. Um, how far would you be if you're not waiting for a perfect don't? And how much have you robbed yourself? Because also I think we really rob ourselves of a growth. Um, how far would we have grown? Building up that muscle, your resistance, your resilience, building up your self-confidence, because every time you fail and try again, every time you do wrong and go and fix and learn more, it's growth. How much skill would we have acquired in that thing osabukuyenza noma osabukuyiqala because you're waiting for the perfect something, timing, perfect people, perfect opportunity. And it's a challenge for most of us. Ngibuya lapho, and I have found such freedom since I have let go of that perfectionism syndrome. I don't expect to have a perfect skin, a perfect face, a perfect body. I don't expect to have perfect videos, to speak or to talk perfectly, to do anything perfectly. I do, however, expect to grow from everything I do. I expect to learn from everything I do. I expect to improve, to develop from everything. And as for mina, uqobo lwami, myself, I love who and how I am. Lapho ukhona ukuthi take care and make yourself look pretty, or prettier, or you work on yourself. It's self-love and it's self-care. But are we looking for to be the perfect person? No. To do perfect things? No. Don't deprive yourself, don't rob yourself, don't betray yourself. Enza and learn along the way.